Hi everybody, thanks for watching. I'm standing behind my 1999 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and you can see it's been in a winter car here in northern Wisconsin. It's got that road grime all over it. We can live with that, but what we can't live with is a messed up rear windshield wiper. This thing is literally falling apart. So today I'm going to show you how to change the rear windshield wiper on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. The model really doesn't matter. It's the same virtually for any car. And you can always go to your handy dandy owner's manual like here, and it'll give you some words on how to do it. But words are not the same as seeing it done. So today I'm going to take you step by step, like 101, how to change a windshield wiper, specifically a rear windshield wiper. Let's do it. Okay, if you don't know the size of your windshield wiper, you can either just guess and get one of these, like this Windex rear windshield wiper. This is a 14-inch or a 13-inch. This one's an all-season performance wiper blade by Windex again. Or you can look them up online, and if you're already sophisticated enough to look up a YouTube video to figure out how to do this, you can look up the size windshield wiper you need. Specifically on this car, it says that you're supposed to use the same for the front as the back. But I like to use this specially formulated rear ones, and that's kind of what we have available. So first thing we're going to do is take the old one off, and I'm going to angle this camera up a little bit, put it on the old tripod. Now you saw what I did. First thing you want to do is pull this thing out 90 degrees. Some of these are spring loaded, so be careful not to let it fling up. And what that's going to expose over here is this kind of hook design right here, and I can show you maybe a little bit better from this vantage point. There's a hook. This little armature is like a candy cane hook. Now we need to push this T down through that to undo it. Here's another angle underneath. This is old and broken, so I'm just going to pull that away so it doesn't dangle in front. Now what I'm doing under here, there's a little tab, and I'm pushing this forward or towards the T. And it started to slide. Try not to block the camera. There it goes. See how it's sliding off? Move that. Let's slide that off, and all of a sudden that T, or not that T, but that little hook is exposed. Now just work it off. And here is your old piece of junk. That goes there. We're going to throw that out later. All right, we've got our windshield wiper open. This is what it looks like. The important thing is to keep the blade next to the glass. Again, up here, let's see, I'll get this so you can see that kind of shepherd's hook. There's a shepherd's hook right there. That's the mechanism that's going to hold this tight. Inside the center of this blade assembly, there's a piece that moves. This little cartridge here is going to fit inside of that hook. So first, keeping the glass and the rubber side closest together, I'm going to position this so it can go inside the hook. Let me get the camera out of the way just for a second. Alright, now we're all straight. So I'm going to slide this little shepherd's hook into this spot. To do that, keeping the rubber towards the glass, keep the orientation. I'm going to slide this in here and then turn it 90 degrees. And I'll come around the top to show you what I did. On the top, you can see we're going to slide that plastic piece up along into that hook. Slide it up, and I'm going to put some pressure on it so I hear a click. I'm going to have to set the camera down so I can use two hands. Slid it in there, now click. There we go, that was a click. Now, it's going to do a little bit of wiggle, but it's in there pretty snug. And that's all you really have to do is get it in that shepherd's hook, slide it up until it clicks, and your wiper is ready to go. So don't be surprised if the first time you do this you feel like a total, I guess the word for it is spaz. But you do one and you'll know how. Just be patient and don't try to force anything, because it's always kind of distressing to break a $10 piece of plastic when you don't have to, just because you're impatient. But that's how you do it. Watch the video a couple times if you need the tips, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.